Hussein, small and anxious, clutches Mira's hand outside the towering school gate, his eyes wide with apprehension. Mira smiles down at Hussein, her expression a beacon of reassurance against his rising fear. The school bell rings, its sound amplifying Hussein's anxiety as other children stream past, seemingly fearless. In a moment of vulnerability, Hussein pleads, "Appy, please come with me." At the school gate, Mirha kneels, her expression a beacon of warmth as she comforts Hussein. Hussein, still sniffling, struggles with the weight of parting. Mirha's voice rings with assurance. "My brave brother doesn't cry. I'll be right here waiting for you. I promise." Hussein's doubt flickers as he asks, "A real promise?" Mirha seals their bond with unwavering conviction. "A real promise." Mirha sits by the window, her gaze fixed on the distant school gate. Her brow furrows with concern, the sunlight highlighting her worried face. The distant sound of children playing only amplifies her anxiety. Mother's voice breaks through her thoughts. "So worried?" Mirha responds, her voice laced with apprehension. "Hussein is so little he might get scared." Mirha clutches her hands tightly, picturing Hussein alone in the bustling schoolyard.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.